I'm gonna get the pink one first. Pink, pink, pink. And pick up in the blue. So when you're seeing it like this, I'm gonna go in backward. I'm gonna go my blue first and then put the pink on. It doesn't look right to me because it's the two colors gonna cancel out. I need the different colors. No, I need this one. I'm gonna open this one. These two are really cute, but also let's do something like this instead of that. Okay, so if then with this technique is really cool though. Okay, so you can do this without worry about cancel out. Let's do. Pick them up and make sure you are not picking them up together. You can place them together by not messing them up. This is really cool though, but make sure that you're not picking them up together because they're gonna cancel each other out. So when you have these two colors and your clients love it so much, don't pick them up both together. Just pick them one and work with a small portion and pick the other one. And you can sew them. I really like it. It looks like a cotton candy nails. So everybody have a different way to do the marbling. I really like this. And you can just pick a smaller portion. Like earlier, remember, I almost like, okay, these two cancel out, but I'm so glad I get to share with you because I got to share with you with the techniques. If you get these two colors, what you're gonna do with when the clients really like it and they want to have the nails, just work smaller portion and work them in. And I don't pick both of them at the same time because they're gonna cancel each other out. Or they are blending them really well. So we don't want that. It's super cute. Now, if you want to add some glitter on, hey Instagram, welcome back. Let's put some clear. You can see a little bit hint if you're doing a dark pink. I must pull the dark pink out. I'm using a little bit of this. Spread them out a lot because I don't want too much, then it take away from my two colors. Can I get my shiny sky. Oh, that it looks so cute though. It looks like a unicorn. Is a unicorn. No, I need a shiny sky. Hold on. We have a shiny sky, and also that I wanted. I using these two colors. Lily is on the Blast of Colors collection, and I'm gonna do again the pink and the blue. Can you open this too, please? Pink and blue, yes. It looks like freaking cute. It's like a unicorn nails. These two colors easy to work with if you're doing it like yes. Thank you, Nuna. I said that is what like a cotton candy, but then it's like it's a unicorn nails. Okay, I brush it in right now just to let you follow with is just the clear powders. So then I can get some of my shiny sky into this. Oh, look at that. I put it on the side. You might not seeing it, but I leave it right here. Where's the little one? Okay. This one, I don't need a lot. I just need a little bit. Can you say hi to everyone, please? Hello, Instagram, Facebook. We love you all. Thanks so much for tuning in. It's brought to you completely free tutorial from us, Glitz Accessory and such. Thank you so much for your love and support. Don't forget to enter to win the giveaway as well. That is for you, and just make sure you follow all that instruction how to enter to win. Oh my goodness, it looks so freaking cute. I don't know how your Ann, but my Ann, it looks so pretty. I want these nails. After Valentine's, I'm gonna change my nail to this. And you're gonna start seeing mine. Might be next week after I get back from New York. All right, I'm so obsessed. I'm so in love with this. A little bit hint of pink. And at first, when you test two colors, it looks really good. But all of a sudden, when I test it, I start seeing these two colors like really blending it out, or you can call it cancel out. Thank you so much, Luna. Thank you, is Years Nails. Thank you so much, sweetie. Miranda, thank you. All right, so great. Now so I'm using my clear coat and cap this. Complete the nails. And when it happened, when you find the colors the clients love and really want to get, and they was like blend it together, or you can call it cancel outs. Like some colors can't be like really working or blend it together. So you just doing a technique I sharing with you. Give it smaller portion, just smaller portion, and then you're gonna let it like really as wet. Not too runny wet, but it's wet. So that's where you can able to blend them out, blend them, sew them together, but without blending them together. That is kind of sound really simple, but then it can be like if we blend them all out, and then they're gonna be like really blend it together. So then you can see the